slowly. My breath caught a little as I slipped my foot in. It was like stepping into a second skin, only better. One that lifted me, literally and emotionally. As I put on the second shoe, I felt the familiar thrill that always comes when I know I've found the one. And then I stood up. The change was instant. With these heels, I was taller. Yes, but more than that, I was transformed. My posture shifted, my gaze sharpened. Every inch of me felt more in control, more alive. I walked across the floor, slowly at first, the sound of the heels tapping delicately like the beginning of a melody. With each step, I became bolder. The pumps moved with me, molded to my rhythm, as if they knew exactly how I wanted to feel. They didn't need to sparkle. They didn't need bows or frills. They were black, bold, and breathtaking, and that was more than enough. I turned to the mirror, and there I was. Not the person who sat down a few minutes ago. No, this was a different version of me. One who knew her worth, one who walked with purpose,